For a quick lap at the Nürburgring, you've probably experienced more in 7 minutes and 6 or 7 seconds than most people have experienced in all their life, as the way of fear and the way of tension and the way of animosity towards machinery into a racetrack.
That day, I suddenly realized that I was no longer driving it conscious, and I was in a different dimension for me. The circuit for me was a pedal, which I was just going, and I realized I was well beyond my consciousness.
Lights out and away we go. Leclerc gets away well. Hamilton and Bottas now jockeying for position, and Hamilton coming alongside Charles Leclerc, with Bottas now with some free space. Sebastian Vettel behind him. Ricciardo. Safety car itself is being deployed, so not just a virtual safety car.
And if you no longer go for a gap that exists, you're no longer racing driver, because we are competing. We are competing to win.
Car on the left.
On the left.
Clear on the left.
Clear left.
Nicely done.